So good day, sir. We will going to demonstrate. I will going to demonstrate about PHP and database, the laboratory 9. So first, research how to create a database in PHP MyAdmin or MySQL console. So create one named labdb_php. So I already created this labdb underscore php na database here na nakuha na. Then we will going to create then research SQL syntax for creating a table. So I have here, and I will going to create table. The ID is primary key and auto increment, then full name, course, and year level. So create table students okay, students record dun siya. So students, yeah. Then year level in so this is the syntax in creating a table. So let's go to go. So now we have created the table. So pag open na to diri sa atong database na natay students sa table, and then voila. So kini then ingon diri insert at least 3 records manually. So manually, I mean, let's create SQL query maybe. Yes, SQL query. Here, insert into students na table the full name, comma, course, year level, and yung values. So diri na ta mag-create og values. For example, I see 1 kailangan and syntax sa database kay kailangan siya na ana if string. So ana 1 de la Cruz Leon de la Cruz, si Maria Santos. Then ang values siyang course is Swiss IT. Then ang year level is second year, first year, and third year. So go. So we've successfully created a table with the 3 records, full name, course, and the year level. Next, so for my part 2, PHP to MySQL connection. So I created DB connect PHP here, dara. So ini siya, yung host is the local host, root, password, and database labdb underscore php kay moment to ang name sa ato ang database for SQLi Connect, mo ano atong gigamit. We're not using PDO. We use MySQLi_Connect. So, ni i-connect niya ang PHP from PHP file to MySQL databases. So, host, user, password, and database. And here, i-check niya if dili ma-connect, mingon na siya kuan like connection failed, MySQL error, diri mag-checks og error, then connection close automatically at script end, ma-close na siya automatically. So mo ani ang part 2 or the PHP to MySQL connection dito. Connect na to ang PHP to MySQL and dili kay mag-check og error. Part 3, retrieving data. So, select query. So, create red_students.php and research how to run and select from query using PHP. Then, we will naggamit man tag MySQLi, so we will using MySQL fetch sock. Then, display all results and HTML table. So, here, I've created nana ko HTML diri then pagkahuman diri select query ta, giselect na ang students table gikan sa ato ang connection nga database. So aron ma-fetch ang atong mga data dito sulod sa table, nag-use ta og MySQLi fetch as sock para ma-fetch na to ang data from ato ang tables sa database.